Yeah, so this is my CB radio setup here for this truck right here. There's the CB. The wire right there goes around, and no, wait, that's the speaker wire. It's right there. It comes over there, goes down through there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see crap. It comes out of a little hole right there by the gas pedals. It goes in grounded. Grounded right there. And then it's plugged into the tail light fuse, so you don't have to turn the key on to use it. And that extension cord, that's actually what that is, an extension cord split from my ground and my positive, and it's wired up to that right there, to the radio. The one that I listen to. Found it in a barn. It works, so I went and bought some $30 Walmart speakers. They aren't that bad. And that antenna right there just makes this truck look a lot cooler. I mean, it looks cool enough now, but I didn't think it went up that high. You know, you're driving down the road, boom, boom. Of course, this truck don't see the road anymore, except for maybe like a gravel road. Yeah, that's my old radio down there I got for 15 bucks from a friend. Stopped working yesterday. Had it for probably, what, a weekend, and stopped working. Yeah, and trust me, I'd have this old truck running if it had gas, because I'd have the air conditioner on that, and the air conditioner don't work. I took this off that other radio. Kind of bothers me, I don't know where to put it, so I just tuck it in there. Just kind of let it hang. Okay, let's see here what we got. Oh yeah, and that right there, crap, I can't see that right there, the meter, it works, but it don't light up. Yeah, see, it works. See, it works. That's this right now, channel 21. Yeah, channel 21. 23 is the dump trucks down here do on, but I'm so far down here that can't hear crap. No truck drivers, really. No trucks come through here much, so. I mean, it's a little small town in here in Missouri, Southwest. I like listening to the static. I would turn it off, but I like the static. I don't like to listen to it. I mean, I like listening to people talk, but I like the static. Here lately, I've been getting a lot of Mexicans or whatever on there, and I don't know why. Some of them speak English. But I mean, Mexico's kind of far from Missouri. Kind of like my dad said, you know, the atmosphere will carry signals or whatever. I don't know if that's true. Channel 6, I always get Mexican something. But that ain't Mexican for some reason. I like my sticker. It's a nice sticker. We'll go to channel 21. Smells like there's something dead in here, which wouldn't surprise me.
Pero Jorge, a 2 cuadras adelante del parque.
Sounds like
Reporte 5 que se puede.
I don't understand though. If anybody knows that radio, it'll light up and everything. It'll make a quiet static sound. Like you can turn it all the way up, and I'll see if I can imitate it. It'll sound like that maybe. I don't know if you can hear that very well or not, or if it's really loud, but it's not loud at all. And then when you do the mic, like hit the mic, it's got a little digital meter on there, and it goes up when you hit the mic. But right now, it don't go up when I hit the mic. Those guys probably thought I was retarded. They wouldn't be the first. And then I got some walkie-talkies. No big deal. Huh. Okay.